Hey guys, Rusty here, Ugly HP. How you guys doing out there in the coronavirus world? Today I have a new project, taking a shot. Been busy with other stuff, but decided I'm gonna try to restore this thing. This thing's been sitting in my backyard for a couple years now. So we drug it out. It's a 60s model John Deere 110. It's got to be like a 66 to like 68 because it's got the 8 horsepower Kohler. So I did some research. I can get a lot of the rebuildable parts for this, including like the carburetor and the deck hubs on eBay. So we're gonna tear the motor down, rebuild it, and send the frame out, see if we can clean up some of this, have it sandblasted. I don't know if I'm going to paint or powder coat it yet. Just depends on what the experts say, but gonna just do this until we get some more work in here. But keep checking in on it, and we'll see if we can start cutting grass with it again. Keep wrenching, guys.